Rainbow Six had to be PC and bring in a transsexual black bald woman man.
What?
Oh my god.
Had to what?
The coconut nut is a giant nut.
Yeah, thank you for sharing, yes.
Interesting.
Very informative. Thank you, Rainbow Six.
Get him, Jay! Get him, Jay!
Oh shit!
Tase him.
Oh, it's the shield lady! Help!
It's the shield dude woman lady. Man.
Oh, you're insane. Alright, go! Go! Get him,
go,
Jay!
No,
Oh,
no!
no!
People in that room!
Oh god.
90 degrees. Straight to the left. Right there.
Oh, I injured somebody.
Yeah.
Oh!
How did you kill
shit, Soup!
Soup's insane.
Alright,
bro.
Soup
Help,
carry.
help, 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 help,
Oh,
help,
it's
help,
she's
help.
outside.
Shield lady. It's shield lady.
It's shield dude woman lady man.
Hold the above.
She's like weak.
Shut the f.
Oh, let's go! I'm insane!
Damn,
The
dude!
plays, baby.
Damn, Soup!
Did you just drop shot him?
Dude, I'm actually insane. Look
And
at
I'm
that.
so confused.
Look how good
Damn,
this
dude.
man is.
I'm actually a god at Rainbow Six. Yes! I'm an angry man lady shield.
Wait, you gotta scream.
Ah!
Is that a donkey? What the
You
fuck was
okay?
that?
You just choke a donkey? What the fuck was that?
No, that's the
Wow.
man lady scream.
Oh.
Can you stop calling her a man lady, dude? What the fuck?
We'll just call Clash it. As,
Oh no.
Oh my god, bro.
Oh, no.
what does my shield do? What does my epic new shield do?
Your shield,
Try
if you left
zapping
click,
me with it.
yeah, it zaps people. It slows them down.
What do I?
It
How
doesn't
do
do
I?
very much
What do I
damage.
zap with?
Enemies.
Oh.
Oh.
Yeah,
doesn't
and then
work
you
like
Oh,
that.
he's tickling me. That's cute.
Also, if you get meleeed, you
Tickle
drop your
me.
shield. By the way, just saying.
Yeah.
So don't let them hit you.
All right.
If they hit you, you die.
I just zap them.
Oh, also, if you stand still, right?
fuck
Stand
is
still.
this?
Stand still. Soup.
Yeah,
Stay,
yeah.
Stay. There you
What
go.
the fuck?
Whoa!
Why is it stuck on me?
Whoa!
You can hold on to one of these if you want.
You can take cotton candy on the go, bro.
I'm following Jay. Jay, can you break this so I can fit through?
Here, I got an impact grenade. Back up.
There we go.
There you go, Chief.
Why is it not letting me go through the hole?
How are you still unable to go
Are
through?
you for real? Can you not fit?
It won't let me through.
Here, let me try again. I'll blow up on the ground this time. Oh my god!
It's not letting me through
We
the
found a
hole.
bug.
Why is it doing that?
If I try to
too
run through, it
fast.
just teleports. What the fuck?
Yeah,
What the
it's
fuck?
not
But
letting me through either.
y'all can't run through. Oh, what the hell?
It just teleports me back. We've already found a bug.
We found a teleporter.
Literally, already.
How come I was able to run through this thing? I'm so lost.
Wait, try vaulting. What the hell? I swear I saw a vault. Oh,
What?
whoa!
What the drive?
George made it.
I'm a
Oh, wait.
teleporter. Check it out. Check it out. Watch. You just gotta go like this. Oh fuck! I fucked up. Let me go around.
What the fuck is happening?
Watch.
Well,
Watch.
if you crouch through, you can make it.
What the fuck, droid?
Y'all see that?
Do that again.
I'm a wizard. Check it out, Chief.
Oh my god.
See that?
Hello? Wait, dude, what the
Oh
fuck
my
is that?
God.
Again?
This is
Again? I might die.
There's two
They
people
keep
in
shooting
this.
at your
There's
shield.
3 people in the room with spoon. I think. Or not. Soup. Same person.
Watch out, they can. Oh, you're insane!
Are you kidding me? What?
No, I'm saying-
I missed every shot. Oh, come on. What? I'm actually a god at Rainbow Six.
All right, guys. I'm sorry for taking Maverick again. I just really want to get a taser kill. I really.
Taser, blowtorch.
I'm not tase, blowtorch. Yeah, I really want to blow someone. You feel me?
You're already thinking like.
I got you, fam.
Exactly what Logan Paul would want to do.
Yo, the Mavericks, man. We see life through the lens of possibility, and today we are
blowing guys on Rainbow Six.
All right, what do I need to do, Jay, to get you to blow someone?
I never thought someone would ever
All right,
say
just-
that.
That was a really interesting phrase.
Yeah.
Basically, you'll just think a boost, and I'll be like, extra health, and then I can kill people. Hey, wait,
All right.
look at this thing. Hold on, piece of art.
Ooh. Smiley face?
You gotta
Oh,
go
what's too
slower.
fast?
Almost.
Yeah. You wasted too much fuel, bro.
Wait, how much fuel does he have?
Not
A
enough.
decent amount.
That's some good
there we
fan
go.
art.
That's beautiful. That's beautiful.
Yeah. You see,
Oh shit.
No.
you deserve this. You deserve.
What? Ah! Ah!
George, you can win this. Just melee her, melee her. No, run towards her and melee. Yes.
What was that?
Oh my god!
What did I just witness?
You just witnessed the best player in the game, bro. I don't know what you're
Yes,
talking about.
sir! Oh my
wow.
god!
No, good fucking shit, dude.
Yo, thanks, dude.
So there it goes. The fact is that Clash is really bad up close, okay? So run towards her, don't be afraid.
What are the plays?
What?
Oh, he died.
Damn it.
Oh no.
The echo was in the corner. I missed every shot.
And I'm trash.
Oh my god.
Yeah, okay, so it's over.
Oh no. Oh no.
I tried.
Fuck.
He killed his teammate though, didn't he?
echo.
Wait a minute. Let's watch this. I want to see.
He did, he did.
He did.
Zoop diddy zap. Zap diddy zoop.
Put me a frost trap down, and I'll zippity zoop zap him. Oh, look at
Zippity
that.
Dude, and
zap.
I could put like an Ella trap here too.
Oh hell yeah, perfect.
Oh man, they're gonna be so counterproductive.
All right, I'll stand in
being
the corner
sneaky,
here.
dude. I'm being sneaky.
They'll never suspect. Someone's in.
Oh, okay.
All right then, Jay.
What the?
I gotta get a zap zap.
You got this.
I believe in the heart
This
of
is
the
so
cards.
perfect, dude.
Why do I feel like they're gonna run straight through that doorway?
Please, please come through.
I
Yes!
fucking knew it.
Yes!
I
It did affect
fucking
you.
knew
Fuck.
it.
Is it gonna work? I'm zapping
him.
him. Wait a minute.
You gotta
Oh.
wait. It'll take a while. He's gonna miss.
Oh no! Oh no! Oh! Oh! Oh, get him! Get him!
Die, bitch!
Oh my-
Die, bitch! Why'd you not
You
die?
can't.
Oh no! Oh no!
Are you kidding me, dude? I was zapping him the whole time. What is that? What is that, dude?
Look how angry you are, dude!
That is so stupid.
Did you see how angry that character was?
Why aren't you dying? No, like they're like pacing themselves pretty well too, because they're still going. You know, like they're.
Yeah.
They're
You
going
good,
for
There's
Soup?
like enough space in between the up and
You
down
okay?
motion.
You guys on designer jeans.
Oh, this is
Look at this kill cam.
Look at this kill cam. Look at this. They're gonna see what you're looking at.
Gucci belt on when I'm fucking my sister. She don't call me brother, I'm Mr. Dick Blister. I pack a fat lip and I roll downtown. On my green tractor, I don't fuck around. Roadkill, that's what I eat. And gator pussy is my favorite treat. That's all I gotta say, so I guess this is bye. Yeehaw, yeehaw, something that rhymes.